Well, the Martins came over, we were having spaghetti when we suddenly noticed that we started getting sweaty. So I grabbed the keys and we ate it in the car, and that's when my friend said, you gotta call RosenbergAir.com. They give you full service and they never take long. Home energy makeover, I've been told, will help you when it's hot or cold. Yeah, RosenbergAir.com.
Receive up to $6,300 in CPS, Lennox, and federal tax rebates and credits by replacing your old heating and air conditioning system this summer.
RosenbergAir.com.